Nervous Nick. Like and subscribe. So it's four tomatoes and a tomato omelet. I got onion, half an onion chopped up. I got some old cheese I found before it goes bad. I threw a few slices in there on top. I got about 6 tomatoes. Those about the tomatoes about like the size of a golf ball. And I got onion, half an onion, a whole green pepper chopped up, and I put a little canola oil on the bottom of the pan before I started, and cooked them a little bit, and then threw the eggs on top. Whip up the eggs, a little bit of milk. It's Nervous Nick. I'm making this a short because they're pushing us to make shorts. I know I hit you with another omelet here. All right, Nervous Nick. Go ahead and check out my Patreon link. Go down to more in the description.